Okay, welcome you to the parent test. So, the first, I have some questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, first, what's your name?
My name is Quỳnh Anh.
Quỳnh Anh, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm great.
Are you from Vietnam?
Yes. I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
My parents?
Yes.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6:15 o'clock.
Okay, what do you do in the morning?
I go to school.
Yes. What are you wearing now?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausage.
Yes, very good. How many subjects do you have at school?
I have 11 subjects at school.
What is your lucky number?
My lucky number is 7.
Okay, very good. Next. Now, topic and Sam and Annie. Look at the picture and complete the sentence.
There aren't any pandas.
Pandas. Okay, correct. Let's choose the correct answer A, B, C, or D.
A. There are some girls.
Yes, correct. Very good.
Is there any tea in the cup?
Yes, correct.
There is an orange on the table.
Orange.
Orange.
Yes.
Are there any supermarket in your
Neighborhood.
neighborhood?
Yes, okay, correct.
Have you got any brother or sister?
Yes, brothers or sisters, and in Southeast. Next, the topic these or those. Look at the picture and choose these or those.
Those are bananas.
What are?
There
What are those? Okay.
These are tomatoes.
Okay. Let's choose these or those.
These.
These. Okay, correct. Now make a sentence with these or those.
Those are hamburgers. These are onions. Those are mangoes.
Yes, correct. Very good. Now change the sentences into the plural with these or those.
Those clothes are new.
Choose A or B.
B.
B is correct.
Those men have horses.
Yes, okay.
The boys have some watches.
Okay, correct. Very good. Now speaking movers. Find the different ones. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Which one is different and why?
The cake is different because a banana, a pineapple, and orange are fruits. The cake is fruit.
Yes.
The sofa is different because a brass, a bath, and a mat are belongings. The sofa can sit.
The toothbrush Bathtub and towel are items in the bathroom. Okay, next.
The picture 3 is different because picture 1 to 4 are sleeping. Picture 3 is get up.
Yes, correct.
The panda is different because a plane, a helicopter, and a bird or fly. The panda can't fly.
Can fly. Can't fly.
Can't.
Pandas can't fly. And plane, helicopter, and birds can fly. Yes, can or can't. Next, the topic comparative. Read the comparative form.
Colder, thinner, older, noisier, happier.
No, happy.
Happier.
Good and bad is
Gooder.
gooder. No.
Good.
Bad.
Bad. Better.
Bad, worse. Good, better.
Heavier.
Yeah. Okay. Let's choose A, B, or C.
A. David is 185 centimeters. He is taller than Edu.
Okay, A is correct. Next.
I think the summer is better than winter.
Yes, correct.
My brother thinks this restaurant is more worse than the restaurant.
No.
My brother thinks this restaurant is harder than this restaurant.
No, C is correct. Okay. Next.
Talking a taxi to work more expensive than taking a bus to work.
Taking, not talking.
Taking.
A, B, or C?
B. C.
Okay, C is correct. Okay, Queen Anne, let's talk about your bedroom.
Bedroom have one pet. I always sleeping on my pet. And on the wall is so many pictures. I have one pink desk. On the desk have one computer, one mouse, one keyboard, one notebook, one book, one pen, and one lamp. Outside the window have so many flowers and butterflies. I love my bedroom so much.
Yes, okay, you finished your test. Congratulations, thank you.